So this is a juicer, so an orange press that is not working because of course the motor of the juicer is right here. And this is more a video of a rant and a reflection on 3D printing, where this technology is, than tips, but stick with me. I don't know if you ever saw news stories that told us back in the days, or still tell us, that every problem that we have will be fixed with 3D printing because we can just print the replacement parts. Well, here I am. This motor has a gearbox, and in this gearbox there's a sprocket, so there's a gear that is worn out. It's a pennies on a dollar part of plastic that makes this whole contraption useless. I emailed the company and asked them, do you have this replacement part? They answered, no, we don't. And we don't have the gear and we don't have the motor, but we can offer you a discount on a whole new unit. So for the average consumer, this would all go to waste, to the landfill, because of one part, one little gear that weighs like 10 grams. So since I have a 3D printer and I'm learning how to design things for 3D printers, I will try to fix this myself because I have a lot of oranges to press and I don't want to do it by hand. So this will be a task, a project to be done in the next videos. I will take this apart and try to design the gear for this motor, because of course they don't have the 3D files, so I have to do it myself. So that's it, more like a rant, less like a tip. If you're interested in coming along the ride to fix this, stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, like, and that's it for today.